Alright, so today we are doing an upgraded viral laundry detergent video. And I have my special guest with me to help me cut everything open.
Special guest?
Come on, baby. Alright, so first we're going with the Roma. Because I'm out of detergent. And I think this lasted me for about three to... How long is it lasting? 3? You don't even know. You don't know. I think it lasts me like 3 months. Okay, let's go ahead. It's heavy. Right to me. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and take the game. And we got the Island Fresh scent. That one kind of hard. Oh, you want me to help you? You want to do that? Oh, you got it. I know. And then we gotta mix it.
You didn't put your hand in it?
Yeah. We gotta put our hand in there and mix it.
We?
Yes! I told you I need your help with this.
You can put the top on and shake it.
No, we can't put the top on. Come on, now help me. We gotta mix it in right now. It was so hard for me to mix it on that very first video. Come on, babe.
It's strong.
I know, it smells good, don't it? So good. Stop acting.
I'm not.
And then you need that one. Yeah.
So mix for 5 seconds and get my hand right back out and just do it.
Yeah, that one. Alright, and this is the Ariel. Yeah, okay, you can mix now. Ooh. This one smells so good. Okay, mix. You sweating. You hot?
Mixing this and I'm in all black now. I'm looking like a construction worker.
Yeah, see, I need that heavy duty. Okay. Yep. No, I need those. Yeah. So this is my favorite scent. This is the Arm & Hammer and this is the light peony and blossom. Listen, this is for the scent booster. Oh my God, I smell it. That smells so. You don't like it? What you think? You don't like it? Dang, you like it?
I'm trying to see good.
You ain't gonna say nothing when your clothes smell good.
You right.
You see, I'm right.
I ain't talking about the smell, I'm talking about the other clothes when they come out.
Yeah. Alright, now mix it. Mix it.
Should be like rice.
I know, right? And I love this. This Zote, this is my favorite. Don't you be a hater now.
I wouldn't. I was just gonna say you.
You don't know nothing about none of this.
Just it.
Well, this is my favorite for like fabric softener, like for the scent booster. This, yeah. But smell this. You don't like it? It smells so good.
Some of it wrong. My nose.
It must be. Mix it in. Mix it in. They flakes. It smells like, what soap is that?
Oh, yeah, it do smell good.
Yeah, I know it smells good. Are you trying to play? You gotta mix it good, babe. Come on. I need your power. Oh. That's not Lily.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Somebody crying.
It's not Lily.
I know.
It's still blue. We gotta go ahead and mix it better.
Ain't supposed to be blue?
I mean, turn it around so you can see. Come around here so you can see what I'm talking about. You see? Gotta mix it. Almost like you're not doing anything.
I had a better way of you doing it, but you just want to put your hand off in here.
What's the better way of doing it?
Put the top on and...
To shake it? Alright, well go ahead. Let's see. Cause we done. Let's go ahead. Let me see you put that top on and shake it. Alright, bet. Y'all, he wanna put the top on and shake it. Let's do it. He think he have a better way of mixing it all together. Alright, let's see. Oh Lord. Oh. Oh yeah? Oh. Mate, no, I don't actually. I hate for you to be right.
Yeah, ain't nothing.
I hate for you to be right. Oh, I hate for you to be right. Oh, it did mix too. Wow. You might know something. I know. It's strong. It's a very. You okay?
Yeah.
It's a strong smell.
I'll be sneezing in a minute.
I know. I could tell. I don't want to put any of this in here. So, this is the Arm & Hammer. This is the super washing baking soda. And then borax. I love borax. Put a little bit of this in there too. And a little bit of the baking soda.
You just changed your mind quick.
I know. I did change my mind quick. Because it don't make sense. Because I'm going to put this in there and then I go behind and I do. Yeah.
You know when to stop.
Yeah, well, I'm going to use the whole thing of it. Keep going. Okay, go ahead and mix it. That's enough. That should be half. Okay, this is optional because I see a lot of people in the comments talking about putting all these different.
They don't say taste it.
That's what I tasted.
Yeah.
Anyways, but people in the comments talking about how it's all these different, laundry soaps and how they have a lot of this stuff in it already. This is how I do it. So if you want to do it how I do it, these are the things that I use, and this how I do it. You do it how you want to do it, but this how we do it at this house. And the clothes get clean and they smell good, and yeah. All right, and I also use this too, but I use this after I put this in. I use all of it. I want to make sure the clothes are super clean, smell good, and yeah. So this is our updated video with the different detergents, because before I wasn't using this. I was using something else. So this, and I used a different one, but yeah. And then the Foca, I think I got this in the actual powder last time, but I like this one in the actual liquid form. So if you liked everything in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave us a comment. Tell us if you made the viral laundry soap and what kind of laundry soap do you use. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.